What a wonderful experience it would be to not have to rush out the door in the morning to a job where you have to follow your boss's instructions all day long. This is one of the main reasons why people want to learn how to make money online. It wasn't just about the money, rather the value of freedom it gave us. Now I'm going to show you an incredible website in today's video that can enable you to generate a lot of income online. Up to $600 in a single day. Everything is entirely free, available worldwide, and requires no prior knowledge or experience. And I'll give you a ton of different bonus resources and free tools that you need to get started. So make sure you watch the video to the end. Now let's watch the video. Now before I reveal the secret to today's method, I want you to have a look at this page in the Kindle book section of the website Amazon.com. When you go down below, you'll find that many people are using this platform to sell ebooks and that they are succeeding spectacularly. This is 100% free and you don't need any experience or money to use it. All you have to do is copy and paste from a done-for-you template, and we're going to make a lot of money online together in this video. So be sure to keep watching because that's what I'm going to demonstrate to you in today's video. Now I want you to visit Visme.co as the next website. This website enables you to produce extremely beautiful and expertly done ebooks that you can sell for a high price without having any prior knowledge. These are the 3 steps in the procedure. Step 1 is to select a done-for-you template. There are many templates available for you to select from, so keep watching this video because I'll demonstrate how to do it in real life. Step 2. After selecting a done-for-you template, you can pick and edit anything you want. For instance, you can edit the text, the font size, and the font color. Anything you want can be changed there. Step 3. You can start publishing on Amazon and earning lots of money online by publishing this ebook, which is completely free and done for you. As soon as you get on this website's homepage, I want you to click the Create button. Scroll down and then select Documents. This will take you to a page where you can start generating stunning documents, which means making an ebook. Once again, there is no cost associated with doing this, and it is completely free. Now I want you to click on this blue button, and you'll be sent to a page where you can sign up for a free account from anywhere in the world and begin creating your ebook. Just enter your name, email address, and password, and click the blue Register button to complete the process. You'll then get to this page. Now that you can log into your dashboard, you can start creating documents. You can see that there are various documents by scrolling down below. Reports, proposals, resumes, cover letters, and the like. Now we're going to search for ebooks, so drag this bar and then click the ebooks icon. Once you click the icon, you can scroll down to see a variety of templates you can select from, all of which are very beautiful and professional. There are hundreds of different done-for-you templates available that you can simply click on to have everything done for you 100% automatically without charging you a dime. Now I want you to give the first bonus advice. There are various ebook categories on the Kindle that you can sell on this website. Take for instance the arts and photography, business and money, and teaching and education. What I want you to do is focus on the health, fitness, and dieting topic because it is the most profitable one and has the least amount of competition. Once you have decided on the category you want to concentrate on, in this case, health and fitness, you'll search for a template appropriate for this type of category. As an illustration, select this template. This is quite professional and perfectly suited to health and fitness. The Preview button allows you to view the contents of this template. For instance, this is the table of contents and this is the cover photo. You can see that these are all the pages in the template by scrolling down below. These are all done for you to show people how to lose weight, and there is a lot of information included in this template. This ebook has been completed for you, and all you need to do is copy and paste it. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now let's go back to the video. Once you've made up your mind that this is the template you want, simply click the blue Use this template button. You can access this new page to edit and change whatever information you choose. One of the reasons I adore Visme is that they provide you with ebook cover photos that are both professional and gorgeous. You can see the table of contents, as well as information on the pages by scrolling down below. However, the good thing about it is that everything is done for you, so you're free to leave anything alone if you like. The author's name needs to be changed when you access the ebook's homepage. You can either put your name or a nickname. You can alter everything you like with this template, including the title of the ebook, which can be changed to Health Secret. When you're contented with it, you can simply click the download button up top. You'll be then taken to this new page after selecting it. Now simply click on the download button, which is blue. Both a computer and a phone can be used for this. Now I'm going to give you another bonus tip so you can increase your online income. This website is freeplrdownloads.com. Here you can find tons of ebooks that you can easily copy and paste and download for free. You can choose from a wide variety of categories, and they are all done for you. We'll once more concentrate on health. Now go ahead and click on the health link to access the section of health. There are countless other done-for-you ebooks that you can get for free by scrolling down below. For example, this ebook. The only thing you need to do is click on this ebook to be taken to this page. You will see a blue download button as you scroll down below. You can download this for free using a phone or a computer by clicking the download button without having to create an account. This website has a total of 8 pages on which you can find a wide variety of ebooks in the health area. After downloading every ebook in the health category, you can move on to a different category, such as self-help, relationships, or internet marketing. You can choose for a wide variety of ebook categories. Start selling on Amazon and make a significant amount of money online using the freeplrdownload.com website. The next step is to download your ebooks from Amazon after getting them via freeplrdownload.com or visme.com. We will now visit kdp.amazon.com. Visit this website to start publishing your ebooks and earning money from them. As you can see, they get to market fast. The publishing only takes less than 5 minutes, and your books appear on Kindle stores worldwide within 24 hours. You only need to click the Don't Have an Amazon Account button and the Sign Up button to proceed. You're going to this page so that you can access your account and log in. However, if you're completely unfamiliar with Amazon, scroll down below to New to KDP, where you can register for a KDP account. You can access this website where you can register for a free account from anywhere in the world by clicking this button. Simply provide your name, email address, password, and password confirmation. Then click Create Your KDP account to begin publishing your ebooks on Amazon and have them sell them automatically to customers across the world. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.